Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. After that you'll see here sound, vibration and silent modes. Just to use silent mode you should switch the sound to the silent, and by the same way you can turn off the silent mode. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. You'll see here the sound icon. Click here twice and now silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click here on this icon once again and that's it. And one more way how we can do that, just press up or down volume button and then click here to the settings and you'll launch the same sound settings and you can switch here sound to the silent modes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.